Good afternoon, YouTube. My name is Brandon, and today we're going to go over building some metal hinges for the barn door. I covered this in my previous video, which I'll put a link down below, and the video was titled Building a Barn Door for the Shop. But obviously I glossed over that section of building the hinges just due to time constraints. I wanted to be able to include the entire build and the entire project as one. So I thought it'd be interesting if I covered just the aspects of building the hinges, and that's what this video is about. With that being said, let's get going. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And thank you and have a great day.